Happy new moon. Greetings from New Mexico. I'm going to share the trials and tribulations of finding a safe place to park and sleep. Because tonight the trusty Walmart parking lot did not work. There's two Walmarts here in Santa Fe. One is listed on Walmart's website as a no park. So I went to the other one that was not on the no park list. Sure enough, no, unplanned, it was no park with signs and security. So that was not the place to sleep. So I got to Google and got to BLM, and there was a recommendation and lots of reviews of a rest stop. And here I am, and there are other people parked with their similar silver curtains up. And I'm celebrating the new moon, and I made some tea. Thank you to a gift of a tea kettle that plugs into the fire lighter outlet in my car. I made my bed. I'm gonna pick some cards before bed and do a little meditation with this powerful new moon, and drink my tea, and I just burned some Palo Santo. So yeah, that's what this will be about. Where to park. I've also parked in safe neighborhoods. If you've been following along, you know. This feels safer. I guess less like someone may interrupt my sleep. Here, I know there are other people sleeping. It's kind of like the vibe. And yeah, so here I go, off to bed. And I'll see you soon. Much love. I'm hosting a retreat in Panama in February. And on Halloween is the last day for the early bird discount. So if you want to come, I would recommend checking it out sooner than later. If you're watching this before Halloween, then you'll get $100 off. It's 5 nights in Panama, yoga and Katona yoga and Kinetica movement. Okay, message me for the details. VinnyBWellness@gmail.com. That's my email. Okay, love you.